My third and final altcoin of the day that I've chosen to showcase to you today is MKR Maker, baby. As you can see, we've got a symmetrical triangle chart pattern coming through here, guys. We got the all-time high coming through around 6,397. I think the supply of this is literally like it's in the millions. It's really quite low, hence the price of the coin, right? You can see the resistance coming down from this major downward sloping resistance line, and also we are actually in a breakout scenario from this chart pattern. So we will get into that. You can see obviously the support we are finding along this lower zone here as well, coiling up towards the end of this symmetrical triangle chart pattern. Symmetrical triangle chart pattern, top of an uptrend here. Bullish pennant chart pattern, guys. We're looking at progression to the upside. These are signs that we are going to actually bang it right up, right? Very, very progressive. In terms of a measurement for this, we're going to be going on off the most recent uptrend, looking something along the lines of this, guys. Something along the lines of this. This is what we are going to be looking for here. Put price targets of around 3,656 there. I mean, in terms of this coin in general, I do think that it's been lacking, right? It's been lacking. If we're comparing this chart to a lot of the other crypto charts, say Bitcoin, for example, there, we haven't even seen proper lower highs from the all-time highs actually get breached since we crashed back in May. So what does that tell us? That basically tells us if we really start entering this alt season, this alt cycle coming through here, we have got plenty of room for growth. And when I say plenty of room for growth, I'm talking literally like 300% there to get to that 9K. It's going to be insane gains, at least 100% gain coming through there, back up to all-time highs there before if we do enter that season. So that's definitely something to be looking out for there. But yeah, in terms of a live breakout price target for now, we are probably going to be looking at this zone coming through here. So let's jump down to the shorter term time frames here, because you can see we've actually got this range, guys. We've got this range breaking out this symmetrical triangle here. Yes, it's been a bit of a skr, but you can see this trend, this ranging period in general, compared to a lot of altcoins in general across November, they've been trending down a lot stronger than this. Whereas Maker has actually been trending down, and we're actually having those very strong buybacks. So it does actually shows quite a lot of confidence coming through for Maker. Now, in terms of a bounce point from what we're looking for, you can see we obviously have this massive trend line coming through from there. We have actually tested that yesterday, coming down, bringing the price to around 2,897 there. And now we're back up to 3,016, right? So it is looking like we are going to have progression to the upside. I would be looking to get over all major moving averages here. But in terms of this ranging period that we were meant to be talking about, but I haven't spoken about yet, you can see the support along this lower side here, really quite progressive. You can see the resistance to the top side here. That's not too bad either. It just shows that we do have a parallel channel coming through here, guys. Nice parallel channel, and that basically means we've got a breakout scenario, right? A breakout scenario coming through, and it is going to be a double breakout scenario coming through compared to the macro sort of trend there, guys. And this is going to be interesting, right? It's going to be very interesting, because if we are going to be breaking up from this zone to the top side here, around 3,354 there, we could be looking at a lovely long position coming through. And if this is like a double breakout, so we're already going to be entering a long position when we clear this zone anyway. So yeah, it's going to be two signs that we are basically going to have continuation to the upside. So yeah, really not too bad. Yeah, really not too bad coming through there. And obviously you can see the volume weighted ATR band coming through in terms of a resistance point. That's going to be very strong indeed to be looking out for there. Very nice. If we can get above that, we do actually trend above that very nicely indeed. But yeah, definitely a breakout point for Maker to be looking out for the future there, guys. And it's not going to be small. It's going to be 14.78% there. It's going to be quite a big gain. I definitely will be looking forward to this, and I will be looking for this. Obviously we know the score about stagger and take profits all the way up. Just basically planning for any sort of reversal point coming through there. But yeah, really not too bad. Entry point, I would probably be looking for around 3,354 from there. I would be looking at first take profit 3,452, and then obviously move your stop loss to your entry point. And then if you get any sort of reversal point, you know it's already successful. You've already taken profit, guys. So it's already a good trade, right? So yeah, we use that to minimize losses. But overall, Maker looking pretty bullish here. MKR looking pretty bullish. I would say be careful. I'd wait for this range to actually break out right before just jumping into any sort of random position here, because we know these swings for Maker, they are quite big. They're not small swings, right? They're not small swings. So yeah, just be careful. I would be for me personally, I would be waiting until we do get this lovely confirmed breakout scenario from there. But yeah, overall pretty bullish on Maker for a lovely juicy long position. That's why I claim my third altcoin of the day today, guys.